Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a buffalo chicken pizza. This one is definitely up there this year for me. I have been making this on repeat, and you'll probably keep seeing it over and over on my feed on Instagram or even TikTok because I absolutely love this combination. There's no pizza sauce here. Your base is basically ranch dressing and hot sauce, and it's perfect. You don't even miss it. It's like 10 out of 10. So without further ado, let's get started.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be